Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making some Jamaican, we call it seasoned rice. To be honest, I don't know what's the correct name, but it's like rice mixed with ackee and saltfish, which is our national dish, Jamaican national dish. And I'm just gonna show you guys how I prepare mine. So therefore, right here I have my season prepared, and you can add whatever you want on your your meal, or this is just my preference. So I have some chopped up pumpkin right here. I have my seasoning, which is my onions, my bell peppers. We have red, orange, and green, tomato. And right here, I have some mixed veggies because I don't know, I just always try to put a lot of stuff in my food, and I like mixed vegetables. So I'm going to use mixed vegetables also. I do have me codfish. Jamaican says saltfish. So this is my codfish right here. I always rinse my codfish off, just because, just rinse it off. It's a lot of salt, but we definitely gonna boil this. We have to boil it because it's too salty. Too much sodium is not good. So I'm gonna boil my codfish, which is right here. We also, this is my ackee. I only probably need one ackee. So, and this is the Linseed Market brand ackee. I love this one. The Alaska brand is also good. So this is what I'm gonna use. 1 tin of ackee, my seasoning right there, my pumpkin. All right, the saltfish, I'm gonna put the saltfish in the pot, but I have something else that I'm gonna add. We are going to add this, guys, or pumpkin soup mix. I put this in the water when I'm boiling the pumpkin. Very good, but I try to strain it before. I don't like the noodles that's inside with rice, so I'll use a strainer and get rid of the noodles, but I'll definitely show you guys once it's time. So guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna show you my favorite, one of my favorite meals, my seasoned rice with the ackee and saltfish, Jamaican style. Tastes good. I'm gonna show you guys how I prepare it. In the meantime, make sure you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Yes guys, you asked for it, and now I'm gonna give it to you. I actually did this a couple weeks ago, or maybe a couple days ago, and you guys said, oh my god, Chrissy, I want some seasoned rice. I'm like, I was shocked to see that persons like seasoned rice, so why not show you guys how I make it? Special way, a good way. Big up on yourself. Just stay tuned. Okay guys, my water is boiling, and I'm gonna add the saltfish, the codfish, inside of the pot like so, and we are gonna let that boil for a couple of minutes because we don't want nothing too salty. Okay, all right, so that's what's up with that. We just put this on. We have to wait until the water is boiled, and we don't need a lot of water for this. So we are gonna add the pumpkin in the water. While the saltfish are boiling, while our codfish is boiling. All right, there we go. I'm then going to add the pumpkin. I'm going to show you guys how I do this. And the water with the pumpkin is already in. Pimento seed, just maybe a few. Like this, we're gonna add. And guys, like I tell you guys, this is my way, okay? So I'm gonna use this strainer right here, and with the pumpkin I'm just gonna add some of this to it. And because, you know, the thing is inside of it, we're just gonna strain it like so, because I don't want this in it, the noodles. So there you go. We're gonna get rid of this. And then we just gonna stir this. All right guys, so we're gonna wait for this to cook. When it's almost done, I'm gonna add this to it and then our rice. But the saltfish, I'll definitely show you guys all my preparation. Just stay tuned. Okay guys, so my saltfish, my codfish rather, is done. We are gonna take this off right now. I'm just gonna add the mixed veggies right now. And we're just gonna give it a stir. But this is ready. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let the saltfish cool, or the codfish cool. And then we're gonna prepare the rice to put in the pot. So guys, this is ready. I'm gonna add the rice to the pot. And this is like 2.5 cups. I'm just gonna have to judge it right now. And this is some jasmine rice. So we're gonna add the rice. Make sure the right amount of water is inside, which looks good. I'm gonna add some butter to the rice and a little tips of salt, because I boiled the saltfish, the codfish. I boiled the codfish, which is right here, 2 times. So it's already, we pick it up, mince it up and stuff like that. So I'm gonna add some this looks so good, some butter to this and let it cook. And guys, this is how I cook it, so just wait for it. All right, so guys, I'm just draining all the water off the ACKEE. We're gonna use warm water, and we have to rinse it off. Someone had text me and said, Chrissy, make sure you rinse it off with warm water before you cook it. So I'm doing just that. Then I'm just gonna throw some off and rinse the rest off. Like so. Make sure the water is warm. And we are Gucci. Look at that ACKEE. Oh yes. So guys, I'm just gonna add some garlic. Minced garlic, because I like to cook with garlic. Okay, so I add the garlic. We're just gonna leave this for a couple of seconds because we want it to fry out a little bit. And then we're gonna add our codfish. Jamaican say saltfish. But that's that. Okay guys, we are gonna add the codfish to it right now. We're gonna stir that. So colorful. Let's add some black pepper. We're gonna add some black pepper, just a little bit. Man a real top girl, this me no novice. Me no force no girl for run now. Too much girl there, road for my charge for me. This no daddy now, hear me no party. Let me add my ACKEE, which is Jamaican national dish. I love me some ACKEE and saltfish, codfish. So we're just gonna stir this, and we're gonna close the pot after we stir. Guys, look at that ACKEE and saltfish. So colorful, looking all juicy and tasty. This is my favorite. Let's just cover this for a minute, no longer than a minute, 60 seconds, and then we're done with this. Okay guys, this is my rice all done. My pumpkin, mixed veggies, and rice. We use jasmine rice. I'm just waiting for that ACKEE and saltfish, and then we're gonna add the ACKEE and saltfish to this, and then we're gonna mix it. You see that? That looks tasty. So we're gonna mix that, and there we have our seasoned rice. But then I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. It's tasty this way. When you cook up that ACKEE and saltfish, it's much better. Just wait for it, guys. Okay guys, finally it's time to add the delicious ACKEE and saltfish. I'm just gonna take it out, place it in the pot, because we're not gonna use all that oil. And I do 3 spoons, oops. And then what I'm going to do is we are going to stir this first. So that stir, I'm going to add some more. And always stir from the bottom, so we have all that rice come on top. Don't put too much oil because we don't want that rice to get mushy. As you guys saw, the rice was perfect. Oh my god, this looks so good. We have some more. So all this oil, we are gonna throw this oil away. There we have it, guys. This is our ACKEE and saltfish seasoned rice. It is perfect. It's delicious. I can't wait to dive in. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Do not put the oil in it. We don't want the rice to be too mushy. Also, when you're preparing this, the rice, I don't like the rice to be too dry, but you know, everything will come together. It's very delicious, not too salty, and I'm ready to dig in. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Make sure you try this. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you tell a friend, you know, and I'll keep these cooking videos coming. Stay tuned, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Bye now.